viewers, you're welcome back to my channel. So this is Learn French with Queen. If you are stumbling on my video for the first time, this is a platform where we'll learn French, and this is for French lovers. And if you know you're a French lover, I say a big welcome. Do well to go through my videos. If you like them, give them thumbs up, share the love button, and do subscribe for those who have not yet subscribed. And for those who have subscribed, I say a big thank you. So today we'll be looking at another topic entirely. We're looking at public places, and we're looking at their names in French and in English language. So we'll start with school, which simply means école. So school is a public place for learning. So school is called école in French language. Okay, so let's move to another one. We have église, which simply means church. Church is a religious organization where people come and worship. So church in French is called église. So we have another one like that, which is mosque, which simply means mosque. Mosque is also a religious organization where people come to worship and pray. So mosque in French language is called mosque. We have mosque. Okay, so now let's look at another public place that we can go out to have fun, such as la plage. La plage. So la plage means beach. Beach, that is where we can have the water view, you know, the oceans, the seas, and the rest of that. So we have beach. So people go to the beach to have fun. Okay, so beach is called la plage. So let's look at another public place. We have restaurants. So a restaurant is where you can go, you know, eat something and then relax a bit. So restaurant in French is called le restaurant. Le restaurant. So that's that with restaurant in French language. So we have another public place. This place is a place for transactions, you know, where we count monies in figures and maybe we write them down in numbers, so we make a transaction there. So it's called bank. La banque. La banque in French language, and we have it as a bank in English language. We have bank to be la banque. Okay, so let's look at another public place that we have. We have le zoo. And in this place, this is where animals are kept. We have wild animals, you know, that are kept at the zoo for us to come and see them and just, you know, relate with those wild animals. You know, we see them on TV only. So this time around, zoo is called le zoo in French language. So let's look at another public place. This time around, this public place is where we go get our things for the house. You know, we buy things, we sell things there, and it's called le marché. Le marché, which simply means market in French language. So le marché is where we go and buy our things, foodstuffs, or clothing materials, or whatever. So we buy things at the market. So it's called le marché. Okay, so let's look at another public place that we have. We have le musée. Le musée is called museum in English language, and this is where historical things are kept. And so people go there to check some historical things and have fun, artistic work, and the rest of that. So it is called museum in English language and le musée in French language. We have another public place. It is called hotel. We have l'hotel. So this is where people go lodge in or have their honeymoons or just go and lodge there for a conference or something. So it is called hotel in English language and hotel also in French language, but the French language will be putting the article on, so we have l'hotel. So these sounds alike in French and in English. Hotel, hotel. Okay, we have another public place, and this time around, this place is where we go have a picnic as families, as friends, as groups, and so it's called le parc. flow, park, and in English language it's called park. And so this is where we're going to have fun. And so this is where we'll be ending for today's class. I hope you now know these public places, their names in English and in French language. Okay, so do well to write me at the comment section if you have any questions to ask about any public place, the name in English and in French language. Do well to give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful. Be sure to love one and do subscribe. See you next time. Wow.